wash the floors. I will do anything. Do you remember me, Mia? Leo? You are the owner of this huge bakery? But you were just my cleaner. Yes. I was your cleaner. And you were my cruel manager. You stole my secret recipe. You threw me out in the rain. I was wrong. I was a terrible person. Please, Leo. I am hungry. I need work. You only care about yourself. You never respected hard work. Karma is real, Mia. Security! Please escort this woman out of my bakery.
Yes, Chef Leo. Let's go, lady.
No! Please! I lost everything! Leo, hurry up! You are so slow! Wash those dirty bowls right now! Yes, Manager Mia. But my arms hurt. I worked for 10 hours today. I don't care. You are just a cleaner. You are nobody. Now, clean the oven. It must sparkle. Yes, Manager. One day, I will bake my own cakes. People will love them. I just need a chance. Perfect! The secret ingredient is fresh orange juice. What is that smell? It smells incredible! Manager Mia, I baked a cake. Please taste it. This is the best chocolate cake in the world. It is so soft and sweet. Thank you. I made the recipe myself. Give me that notebook, Leo. What? No! These are my dreams. You are a cleaner. You do not have dreams. This is MY Cake now. Now get back to work and wash the floor.
Hello, I am Victoria. I am a famous food critic. I want to taste your best dessert.
Oh, welcome, Madam Victoria. Please sit down. I will bring you my special chocolate orange cake. I baked it this morning.
Wow, this is pure magic. You are a genius, Mia. I will write about you in my magazine. You will be rich.
Oh, thank you. I work so hard on my recipes. No, that is a lie.
Excuse me?
Madam Victoria, that is my cake. I baked it. She stole my secret recipe book. Be quiet, you crazy cleaner. He is lying, madam. He is a lazy worker. Look at her hands. There is no flour on them. Look at my hands. They have burns from the oven. I am the baker. Security! Throw this garbage boy out into the street. You are fired, Leo. Get out! Never come back. You are nothing! My recipes. My hard work. She took everything. No. I will not cry. She took my book, but the recipes are in my head. I will start again. From zero. Fresh cupcakes. Only $2. Baked with love. Those smell familiar. I will take one chocolate cupcake, please. Here you go, ma'am. Have a wonderful day. This taste.
The chocolate and the fresh orange. It's you. You are the real baker from that shop.
Madam Victoria? Yes. I am Leo.
I went back to Mia's bakery. Her cakes tasted terrible. She did not know how to bake them again. I knew she was a liar. Leo, you have a true gift. I am an investor. How would you like to open your own real bakery?
I will give you a real bakery? Yes! 1,000 times yes! Thank you! Hello, partner. Business is amazing today. Thank you, Victoria. We sold 1,000 cakes this morning. Please, I need a job. My bakery is closed. I have no money. I will wash the floors. I will do anything. Do you remember me, Mia? Leo? You are the owner of this huge bakery? But you were just my cleaner. Always tell the truth. Hard work will always win. What did you think of my story? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories.